back to my YouTube channel. I'm Stacey Quinn, the proud owner of Bossy Glamworks Boutique. It's been a few years since I posted a YouTube video. Business-wise, personal, like I got really busy with my boutique, and nourishing YouTube content is a lot. I've been posting recently some sewing videos to try to, boost the algorithm and get my videos back out there. Sewing is my hobby. It's my first love. It's why I even started my company, Bossy Glamworks, in the first place. I love clothing. I love fashion. I love jewelry. I love accessories. Anything that, is just fashion and just statement pieces. I'm trying to be more intentional about what I do, but most of the time I'm usually wearing my brand, promoting my brand at all times. I sell the ring. And I'm currently working on a sewing project here. This is a part of my Lilac Linen Series. It's coming together, there's still some stuff that I need to do, but I'm in the middle of filming that. There's so many different things that I want to share with you guys. I started my boutique in 2020, and I've been sewing and making my clothes 10 years now. It's been a long time. I'm not perfect. I'm not this custom couture designer. I didn't go to design school. I'm self-taught. I learned on YouTube. So anyway, I want to hear from you guys. I want to know what type of information would you like to receive from this channel. We're going to have a lot of boutique talk. I've had my boutique for 5 years now. I've learned a lot. I've lost a lot. I've grown a lot. There's new information that I've learned. There's things that I said that I wouldn't do, would never do, and I actually had to do them. So just evolving as an entrepreneur, as a business owner. You're going to see more lifestyle content from me. You're going to see more behind the scenes of my boutique business. I plan to share lots and lots of sewing videos with you guys to show my skill set and what I can do. I have not done that at all. I just, usually I would sew something and then I just pop out and say, hey, this is what I made. Filming the whole process from start to finish. This outfit right here, I am still working on content. I have so far, I think I'm gonna have about 10 parts in this Lilac Linen Series. I'm working on editing part 9. I gotta go back in and film the actual cutting and sewing of actual fabric. The fabric is very expensive. All of my fabric is expensive, but I used to just, cut into my fabric and just hope for the best. I was just antsy to get my project going and not appreciating, or too lazy, honestly, to appreciate the process. So I said I was going to start working with muslin more. Actually, I'm going to do that probably before I cut into any of my fabric. So you guys are going to see a lot of videos, a lot of shorts as far as my sewing. We're going to do a lot of boutique talk. I have a lot of information and a wealth of knowledge to give you guys. I am a Facebook ad expert. Within the first 3 years of starting my business, I cleared $1 million in sales. I kid you not. I've got receipts everywhere. That's not anything that I have to lie about at all. I'll probably just do a little clip after this part just to show you receipts. I'm very transparent. I am the real deal. I'm going to give you the truth about the business, the good parts, the bad parts. We're going to talk about mental health, running a household, running a business, being a mother, and just juggling all these different things while you're trying to find your lane as an entrepreneur. I would not say that just because I've cleared $1 million in sales that I'm a millionaire. I am not. I am still growing and just trying to be the best business owner that I can be. So let's talk about it. Please engage with this video if you want to see more. I plan on dropping weekly content, if not weekly, bi-weekly. I promise. I'm going to be more consistent on this channel. And I just want to be a wealth of knowledge to women who are aspiring entrepreneurs, or if you're a boutique owner, if you like making your own clothes, or if you're even thinking about sewing. This is my announcement back, if you will. I just want to share my journey, share my growth. If you want to see more of my content, please be sure to subscribe to this channel. For those of you who have already subscribed, or if you've watched my videos, or if you've given me a thumbs up on anything, or if you've bought from my boutique, you supported my business, you follow me on my different social media platforms, thank you so much. Anyway, thanks for watching this video, and be sure to subscribe to my channel. I'll see you guys on the next video.